What is up, guys? Gonna do a quick trade recap. Went 3 for 3 today. It was pretty choppy, but I was seeing what was I gonna say? A lot of good setups. I actually slept in on accident. Woke up at like 6, and then I guess I fell back asleep. Woke up at like 9:30. West Coast. I know you guys on the East Coast don't understand, but West Coast is a pain, especially as a college student. Waking up at 6:30 in the morning every morning, living in an apartment with 3 different guys is not the ideal situation. I know you guys wanted me to do these annotated, which I've been trying to do, but it's a lot easier for me to explain them through words. I recorded 2 of them. I'll post, I think, one of them to my YouTube. The other one was kind of like a 10-minute long one, kind of extended out a little bit longer than I wanted to. But all right, let's get into it. What I trade first? Tesla bear flag. It was one of those where I was like, you know what, this is the type of setup that I lose on. I've seen these bear flags when they get too extended, they get above the EMAs, and then they break out. And so I was kind of wary of taking this, but it was. I honestly, I just rolled out of bed like 9:45, and I was like, all right, let's. I missed this in the morning. I want to get something right here. So I entered puts at this top of the trend line, got in around 116.9. My stop loss was right there, so I wasn't really risking much. And honestly, I sold right at this support. It was pretty close to a bottom tick. That's what I was targeting. I wasn't expecting any trend. That's why I sold very quickly. The day before CPI, I was expecting chop. Um, I didn't think we. I would have to look back, but I'm pretty sure we don't get trend days before CPI. I might be wrong on this, but from memory, I do recall that before CPI it's choppy. So yeah, got this 2 candle move from like 116.9 to like 115.9. So about $1 move. Comp didn't move as much as I wanted them to, and it's because it's the Friday expiration. But I got around a 15% gain on that, so I was decently happy with that. So that was a nice start today. My second trade was on Amazon. This setup was kind of weird. SPY, it like broke out and then it rejected resistance and it kind of came back weird. So anyways, you could see where I got in. We had this trend line that I had drawn. We broke above. This inverse hammer really scared me away. So I was thinking about not taking it, but I really like the fact that we had these EMAs right here. I love taking calls above the EMAs, puts below the EMAs, as you guys know. So I went ahead and took the risk, and I wasn't risking much. And we had this old support, old resistance that was turning support right here. So I was pretty confident with my entry at 89.5. I think I got in around 89.55 area, and I actually sold near the top on this one again too. I sold around half at this 89.9 area. They were moving somewhat decent. I think I ended up selling the rest for like a 15% gain. So once again, not that much. But um, like I said, with the Tesla trade, I just wasn't expecting much. I just wanted a quick little breakout. I need to draw this below trend line. But we had a high right here, lower high, lower high, lower high, breakout. Um, Retest, support, resistance support flip, EMAs above. So that's my ideal setup. That's what I'm looking for. And yeah, so that was the Amazon trade. Third trade was on SPY. It was actually my biggest gain. It's because I took a 0 day. That's why I love trading SPY, because they have the 0 day, so I can profit off these quick moves. And it was, where was it? Right here. This little 3 minute at 10:55. We were above these EMAs and we were forming a nice wedge. We broke out above, and this was another one. This is what I mean when I was kind of wary of it, and I actually entered this while I was taking the Amazon trade. So this inverse little hammer thing, I was kind of scared about it because it's typically a bearish candle. But we had this 3 minute pennant going on, and when I have a 3 minute pennant, we're going in an uptrend. We break above resistance. We go and we retest that resistance, turn support, and we form a pennant. I'm always looking to go long, especially when we have these EMAs below us. So something like that, I'm thinking long every time. And this is probably the video that I'm gonna record and send in. So I sold on this little 3 candle breakout. I usually like to. I think it was the same thing for that Amazon trade. Let me pull. So you kind of get this once you get that. Where was it? Oh, this is the 3 minute. That's why. So you get that like little explosion north, and I'm looking for that pop on that big candle. That's what I'm looking for. So that's what I got here on SPY. And I was also targeting. I was trying to get to 389.5, but I was kind of, it was a 0 day. I was already up, I want to say 35%, maybe 40. I'll have to watch the video. But anyways, yeah, it was just this quick breakout, held above the EMAs, and then sold pretty much around 389.2, I want to say. And that was a nice 35%. So 3 for 3 on the day. I was pretty happy, especially for the chop. Definitely could have done a little bit better. I think I could have made a couple more trades, but I missed this opening kind of moves. The other trade that I was eyeing, I was at the gym though. I wanted to take this trend line, and then we lost this support right here. Oh, sorry, right at the support. We had these EMAs below this little candle right here from 389.2 to 389.7, 388.72. I think that would have been a nice trade. I know it was a green candle and it wicked up, but something like that, my type of trade for a 0 day. So yeah, that's it for me. 3 for 3 felt pretty good. It was a nice bounce back day. I'm hoping to end this week green. Catch you guys tomorrow.